Displacement is just going to be the net change, right? So if we're looking for the displacement, we're basically just looking for where our starting position is, subtract from our initial position. So that's just going to be s of 4 minus s of 0. And s of 4 is going to be equal to 0.2 minus s of 0, and I already ruined my mark, is going to be 40. Now again, for an FRQ, can I leave my answer like that? Yeah, there's nothing wrong with it. It's not, you don't need to simplify. That's perfectly fine. Now obviously there is no units here, right? So we're just going to say but obviously I would always like to say, if you simplify this, 39, 0.8 would also be the displacement. That's not a hard simplify. But remember, guys, for your for your FRQs, you don't need to simplify. But for multiple choice, obviously, negative 0.2 minus 40 is not going to be represented as an answer choice.